touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. In the top chat right with you, I feel like Scarface. The boy bitch with the bob, I be your main one. Take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Dimpho and Malebye, a lifestyle influencer based on beauty, faith and finance. Today I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset with you guys, which I'm super duper excited about. This is like my first official YouTube video that I'm shooting in 2024. I can't remember the last time I actually shot a YouTube video. This is like my 100th take. I haven't been liking the angles, the lighting and everything, and it's basically reminding me why I stopped shooting my videos. But I'm not gonna let imposter syndrome get the better of me today. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna shoot this video and I'm gonna upload this video today, 21 Jan 2024. So before we get into it, I just want to explain that like the first few shots that you saw was us going to church. I'm dedicating myself to going to church every Sunday this year. So far I haven't missed any Sundays. It's been 3 Sundays. I'm super duper proud of myself because the whole of last year I think I saw church like 5 times. That's so humiliating. So I'm trying to do better like with my relationship with God outside of like watching sermons and praying and stuff. Like I actually want to be like part of a community, you know, part of a church, and like just see how that goes for me, because at the end of the day that's the only way where like I can be involved in the community outreaches, like all the activities that like the church does that helps the community around me. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself. Celebrate me please. And more than anything, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you like it, it will help me so much. It will first of all encourage me to keep on shooting these videos, because I intend on being very like consistent this year. That's like one of my challenges. But like also because I really do like YouTube. I love speaking about my experiences. I love speaking about like, I don't know, like who I am and my opinions on stuff. And so I felt like YouTube was a great platform to do that and teach people the tricks that I use to get by. And so I stopped because I was not happy with the quality of my videos. Like I felt like I wasn't as bougie and, you know, like aesthetically pleasing as the YouTubers that like I actually admire and would like to produce content similar to. But this year I'm going above and beyond that, and I'm gonna shoot and post regardless and just get myself out there and see how that goes. Let's get into it.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me.
Okay guys, so as you saw, I did a little pedicure situation going on. I really enjoy those because I work on my feet all day scanning patients, and it's really nice to have like my feet massaged and everything, although I think I'm gonna do it again before bed because I'm on my feet right now and I don't want to be on my feet. So anyway, now I'm gonna like mask my face. Today I'm gonna be masking my face with this. Pink Glow Boost from Clicks. Just to boost up my glow. I like they have a turmeric one too, because this one is a natural clay and witch hazel water for oily skin. I know the packaging looks clean, but I'm new, but I've actually been using it like for quite a long time. This is like a third one that I'm buying, and it's also halfway through. But I also like the turmeric one, which I'm out of. I tried to go get it at the store the other day and they told me that there was out of stock, blah blah blah. So yeah, anyway, I need to put my mask on, and so I'm gonna do that. But before I put that on, I'm gonna first put on the vitamin C brightening actives one. So this one is also a Clicks product, and then it has niacinamide, and you can use it as a facial wash, a scrub, or a mask, and it gently exfoliates, cleanses, and mattifies the appearance. So it's the first time I actually tried out this product. As you can see, there isn't much of it that's out, and I don't know if I really see a difference, to be honest, because I'm pretty sure that you guys can like clearly see my dark marks. I don't know if it's really working, so I'm gonna let it like finish and see after I've actually finished the whole course of the product what I think about it. But if it doesn't work out, which it looks like it's not, maybe I'm not applying it properly, or it's not good enough for my skin, I don't know. Okay guys, sorry about that. Like, I'm literally filming in like the bathroom, well, the toilet room. I'm literally filming in the toilet room so I can be as furthest from these children as possible. And I'm sure you can hear the echo now because I've closed the door, because they're crying and screaming and everything, and it's so frustrating, and it's like the biggest reason why I haven't been filming my YouTube videos. But so this is my Glycerine soap. I forgot what it's called. I'll put the product down below. I buy it from Clicks. It's like this blue and white aqueous cream thing. I'll show it to you guys when I put it on my face too. I use it because I have really oily skin, especially now that it's winter. My skin summer, my skin gets oilier and oilier, so I like that Glycerine soap because it kind of takes away the oils and it's not too harsh on my skin. So yeah. Also, don't forget to like wash your hands, guys, before you like wash your face or touch your face. That's why it's advisable to not like touch your face at all during the day, because you're putting bacteria and stuff and germs on your face. So yeah. I'm gonna be looking at this on my phone. Okay. So I decided that I'm gonna just use this to scrub instead of as a mask because I'm gonna mask on, and I don't know, I want to try and not be too harsh on my face, to just be like a little careful with, you know, exposing my face to all of this product. I don't really like exposing my face. I'm gonna use about this much, and yeah. Whoa, the middle finger was definitely not intentional. Yo guys, like I struggle a lot with my face, so sorry. First of all, let me read the instructions to you guys for using it as a scrub. You massage it in circular motion, focusing on the forehead, nose, and chin. So those are like problem areas, you know, the T for combination skin. But my cheeks are like my problem area because of the hormonal acne that I get on my cheeks. Like I get a lot of hormonal acne on my cheeks. Most of the pimples that you see, or the scarring that you see on my forehead, comes from mosquito bites. Ghetto. My skin actually scars really easily. Like if your skin scars as easily as mine does, please do like comment down below and tell me what you use for it, like, because this really sucks. Like this actually really sucks to have so much scarring. But I do want to use her Hermosa Flow Cosmetics product. Like look at how my skin is like so beautiful on the actual T junction that this scrub requires me to focus on, and then you see my cheeks and you think, what is going on? Anyway, scrub. Also, if you have oily skin, make sure not to scrub too much, because that can like induce pimples also, because it scars like the oil factor on your skin. Or try to use a scrub that is not too creamy. Yeah. Okay guys, so I decided that I'm not gonna put a serum or my cream on for the night. I'm actually going to just put this balancing mask. Alright. By Environ. This is what I'm gonna use. It's a vitamin A mask, and it's supposed to help with like my dark spots. Apparently it's supposed to renew my skin. So anyway, let's go into it. I actually can't remember what it was for now that I think of it. Hey, but I know that like it used to make my skin feel so like subtle and soft and plumpy. And I remember there was a time when like if I'd have a skin rash or like a reaction or something, I just put it on overnight, and then when I wake up the next morning there's no skin rash. And I know it helps with my pores. So yeah, but you get this at Sorbet. I don't know if Environ has got like its own website or whatever. So it's gonna be white when you apply it, and then you just let it dry, and it will go clear on your skin. Initially when I bought it, the first Sorbet that I bought it at, I was told that I should put it on for like 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off. And then the second one I got it at, the lady told me no, you can leave it on overnight, you don't need to wash it, you can wash it in the mornings. So I just know that it's a product that I use in the evening, and I just prefer to leave it overnight because I have never reacted from it when I left it on overnight. So it's what ifs. But it has now dries up quite fast actually, and it's got into my skin. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it on all night. If you watched the video until this far, thank you so much for the hours and the views. And obviously YouTube is gonna recommend my video more because you're watching it until this far. So please do like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and continue watching my other videos. I have really nice videos, guys. So go through my channel and see what you're interested in, and comment down below what content you'd like for me to post more of. Remember, I am about faith, finance, and beauty, and that's my lifestyle, and that's everything my life revolves around. So please just tell me what more you'd like to see on my channel. Okay guys, so we're getting grilled chicken because there's no chicken in the house, and I was not gonna cook beef because I do not want to cook today. So far, I've burnt my veggies in the oven. I think the grill is too high, and I completely forgot about them. So I'm very annoyed with that because that was like the only thing I was looking forward to in this whole meal. Also for lunch for tomorrow. And we're getting chocolate chip muffins, double chocolate chip muffins. Can't wait. At a local spa. I think after that, I'm over this like everything. I'm gonna cut the vlog and edit and post it on YouTube because I'm really exhausted. And I'm like, how do you post a Sunday reset on a Monday? I don't know. Unless if I call it like a weekly reset, but I have to edit it today and post it later tomorrow. I want to edit it today, and that's exactly what I'm going to do after I eat pap. The pap makes you sleep. I don't know. My back marks. There's a parking spot. Oh my gosh, Sadie! I like how you swing into the parking spot. Yeah. Oh.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. Manuel.
Aren't they all?
You'll try to come back when you faint.